It's Sunday morning. Let's go get a massage. You know, when you come out of a massage and you're like literally punch drunk, that's where I am right now. There's a thrift store right here, so let's just go thrifting. It's Memorial Day weekend, so everything might be like picked through, but let's just see what we can find. Those are kind of cute. These are kind of cute. Good morning. I ate breakfast and I didn't show you. I also ran out of the house and did not do my skincare. Lauren is feverishly running to her class. Adrian is here being a throw. Lauren's had she added glasses.
I had to.
All right, so we just had breakfast. Now we're gonna go do our work. We're being attacked by flies, so we're out of here. Let's go. LOL, the plant store is closed, but here it is. The music is loud, but open up, lady! Okay, so this is store number 1. It's called A to Z Mercantile, and there's boy clothes, girl clothes, everybody clothes, accessories, some really cute stuff. So if you're in the area, come check her out. These vintage kimonos come from Japan. Adrian has a house in Kyoto. Her IG for that is PS it's Kyoto? PS I'm in Kyoto. So that's where these come from. These are really pretty. We'll do our best showing you around, but there's a coffee shop right here. It's called La Jefa. It's really cute. There's an art gallery over here. This is cute. This is a little like stationery store. I don't think I've ever been in here. But lots of stationery and gifts. Oh, I like this. It's a weekly planner. Wait, guys, that's cute. Stickers. Oh my gosh, I love all the gifty things. Look at these cards. Thank you so much. Wait, that's really cute. I love this. And this is Adrian's other store in the same little complex. This one's called Covet. And there's dresses, little hats. These are cute little bags and sunglasses. She also does permanent jewelry, like this little guy here. You know, the ones that you just don't take off. So there's all this kind of fun stuff. Wait, this is so cute. This little palm tree. I love that. Lots of cute stuff. Hi. And little books. You get the drift. It's very cute. And then this is the coffee shop, which is super cute. They have really good coffee and a really delicious breakfast sandwich. I also don't think I've ever noticed this little ice cream shop. How cute is this? Adorable. I don't think I've ever seen this. I wonder if this is new. I honestly cannot get over how comfortable this dress is. I showed you like quickly at the beginning. We'll do a full little outfit montage video, even though I haven't like fully styled it. I just threw it on and I'm wearing flip-flops. But this can dress like up and down. Sizes extra small to like 3 sizes larger than me. So I forget, their numbering is like, I think size 2 to 4 or 0 to 2 to like 34, 6 or something like that. For reference, I'm a 24, 26. So like every single human can wear this dress and pretty much everything from there, but 100% linen and 100% cotton, like, and it has pockets though. Am I back home? Yes. Do I want to leave immediately? Also yes. Adrian's here laughing on the side because I'm like, okay, we have our laptops, like we're doing it. We both have things to do and it's just so breezy. It feels like LA today. Like it's a perfect day, dry, crisp, sunny, breezy. It's illuminating. And I was coming home first of all, and I was just supposed to be here doing work. And then I was giving Adrian a little gift for, wait, let's show them. A gift for her trip. It's part of the Jonathan Adler.
It's my car.
LOL, you don't have to go get it. It's part of the Jonathan Adler, I'll put it on the screen, Jonathan Adler for Michael's collab, which is actually super cute. Adrian's one of my friends who crafts a ton. And it's like this travel case that you crochet a Jonathan Adler sunglass print onto. So she was just coming over, she was dropping me off, we all went to breakfast, and she was grabbing this gift. And then I'm like, you know, if you're just heading to your store, I'll go over there. So then I brought you guys along, went and showed you around. And now we're supposed to be here committed to doing work emails. And I'm just like hearing the breeze outside and thinking about how cute I look because I love my dress. And I'm like, we should go somewhere else. We should go somewhere else. And she's lukewarm. So what do we think, eh? Are you going to go home and do work? Or are you going to go with me probably to the Thompson and sip some sort of limeade and write a Substack? Pressure her, guys. Leave a comment. Adrian, go. Adrian, go. I want to go home. I want to go work. You let us know. We'll be over here. We're over here. And we're just, right? And then she'll let us know.
Okay, I guess we can change work locations. Yeah.
Because neither of us are working. You're on your phone doing God knows what. Because I hear you giggling, so it's definitely memes. And I'm staring at a blank Google page. It just says Google. Decisions have been made. We are now not going to do computer work. I'll come home and write my Substack later. Adrian has a little shop at this place called The Place, which I've been wanting to check out anyway. It's in India. It's kind of far, but it's kind of a good day for a long drive because it's gorgeous. So we're gonna go shopping again. So is this vlog shopping around Palm Springs? We started off in a thrift store, then we went to the Flannery. Mm-hmm. Now we're going to The Place. Okay, so this is Coachella Valley shopping, okay? Okay, first stop is Rutina, which is a coffee shop, I think, right? Yeah, coffee shop. I'm excited to try it. We are in Palm Desert. So yes. This is the Coachella Valley tour. So shopping around Coachella Valley. Greater Coachella, I can't even talk. Greater Coachella Valley. The menu looks good. I'm getting this half sweet. I'm excited. Why is this bike stand so cute? We need snake bike stands everywhere. We're in India. We're going to, what is it called? The Place? The Place. Yeah, so this is actually where Coachella is. So we're, I don't know, 45 minutes from Palm Springs. So it's not next to it, but people like to stay in Palm Springs because it's just kind of like more of a vibe a little bit, you know what I mean? But India has some stuff and we're gonna check it out. The Place. Okay, we're not gonna run over the pedestrians. I know people have been wild today, you guys. It's been a lot. Adrian's like, it's been a lot. It's been a lot. We just got honked at. We're literally like turning around. There's a red light, so this person could have easily just spun around. Did they spin around? No, they come racing to the red light to then honk at Adrian.
Honking at us to get to the red light and then sit there.
And like, the red light is this far away.
Yeah, it was
so just strange. A pointless thing. I hate when people are like so unnecessarily unkind. Just just aggressive for no reason. Where we made it. I can't get over this weather. It is like so perfection. Wait, our outfits. How do we show? Okay, you guys. Look at how much our coloring matches. Like,
we do this all the time.
We do this all the time. We match a lot and it's actually wild. Let's go to the store. Just kidding. Wait, this is cute. This is vibes. Wait. This kind of cuteness. I'm shooketh. I really like what I'm seeing. You guys, I'm obsessed with that place and I love it. And I met the owner and she's super nice. And maybe we'll do something there together. Who knows? Okay, on our way here, we saw that there's a Revival, which is like one of my favorite thrift stores. There's one in Palm Springs, well, there's a couple. Palm Springs and Cathedral City, but I don't think I've been to this one, but I think I've been to all of them, so I'm not sure. So, LOL, let's go thrifting again. I just want to note that I did plan to sit at my computer and do work. And this technically counts as work, right? Because we're vlogging, but Adrian has pulled me into another store. I'm blaming you. And now we're thrifting. Oh wait, I have been here before. This is a good one, guys. Oh, that blue is pretty. Okay, I have been here before. It's a really good location. I just forgot about it, so I'm glad for the reminder. You see anything cute? This is cool. The glass is really heavy too. Those are cute. Wait, look at these. We love a little frosted stem. Very Art Deco. Wait, I like whatever this is. This is cool. There's a really big book section too. It's cool. That's cool. It's acrylic. Wait, I love this. I really like this. Whoa. This is beautiful. Wow. Came home to an absolute disaster in my pool. Luckily, see that man inside the bushes? They're cutting my neighbor's trees and all of the debris fell over here. So luckily they are cleaning it up, because I walked outside and I was like, absolutely not. And they're like, open, we'll clean.
Yeah.
I'm like, meanwhile, Adrian's like, turn your pool up now, turn it off now. And I'm like, I don't know how. How do you know how to do that?
Oh, from this exact same thing happening at our house.
Oh,
yeah.
Lord. Look how wet my face is. Burst into flames from just like panic, anxiety. This is stress sweat. I was like, no, no, no. And luckily they're over here and they're like actually like cleaning. They have their blower. They have my pool like shimmy sham thingy. What is that called? That skimmer? Yeah. I'm looking like I'm literally sweat. Look how bad I'm sweating. This is crazy. Like, shout out to you, sir, because I was gonna be big mad. My doors are open, so there's background noise. But you know what's absolutely wild of me is that I stopped doing two of the things that make me feel the most normal. In LA, I would get a massage like twice a week, right? From just this like affordable place, super chill, no frills, but effective. And I found one here, Palm Springs, and I would go, but it was like intermittently, right? And the gym. In LA, I was doing Pilates all the time and I felt amazing. Here, I did go to the gym, but it was like this fancy gym. I don't know, there was a lot of peer pressure, but I did not need all of that. And it was also just like not a good use of money. So my friends joined this really cheap gym. I think it's like $9 or $30. Like you can pick your poison. So I joined last month, but right before I was going to New York and LA, and I went once. So we're going today because I have to move my body and I have to get massages. Those are the only thing holding the goop inside this skull together. I also need cute gym clothes. My gym clothes, half of them are too small, and then the other half of them are just like not cute anymore. I did look cute the last time I went. I'll put a little picture in. But I feel like that set was cute. It was comfortable. Bra was a little snug. Like they fit, they're fine, but the bust was a little bit, you know. So I want to find some cute stuff. Old Navy has like the best affordable but dead cute gym stuff. So I should have shopped the Memorial Day sale. I literally forgot. Hopefully they still have some stuff on sale. If not, I'll just wait till the next sale. And I will also look around for other things. I have cute shoes. I have cute shoes. But also the thing is, okay, in Pilates, I would wear a t-shirt and a loose pair of pants because that's just the best feeling to be laying on the ground because I did mat Pilates. But for the gym, I want to look cuter than just like a big t-shirt and random pants, which I'm currently wearing. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Let's go. Good morrow, gentle humans. It is Thursday. I'm sitting in my backyard, so forgive the outdoor noise. My pool, like the little spillover filter thingy, might be a little loud, but it is such a gorgeous day. I'm so excited that we have this like very LA mild weather popping off right now. It's barely 70 something degrees, breezy, bright. Like, I'm elated. So I'm sitting outside doing some work on my computer, but I figured let me just do a little backyard tour because we haven't really done that, and I feel like you should see what I have going on here. I also just did a really affordable backyard accessories, like just little small cute things. There's also furniture, etc., on my Substack today. If you're not subscribed to my Substack, you really should. So for those of you who care just about plus size fashion, for example, there's And I Get Dressed Substack. For those of you who care about all the decor and the lifestyle stuff, there is, and there's also like fashion and beauty there as well, but it's just more like general everyone. It's Deeply Madly Modern Substack. So Deeply Madly Modern Substack is where I just talked about the patio furniture and just like little accessories. Like, there's this little, like, portable lamps are cute, right? And we love a portable lamp. You can drag it anywhere, bring it outside, whatever. But they always look sort of like very modern, or like there's not really a design element to it. This one's wicker, and it's so cute. So let's just look around my backyard really quick. I'll stop yapping. Okay, that's the scene. You can see my butt print. That's where I was just sitting talking to you guys. There's a little outdoor kitchen. This is the spa, my pool, a little seating area. I put in this pergola, I would say the year I moved in. This is from Wayfair. These beautiful pool chairs are from our house. I did some work for them, and just kind of goes around little plant pots and things. So there she is. Here, let me 0.5 you so you can kind of get the vibes. This was crazy. This was literally a, like, I'll put in a kind of before, like little spiky, they were planted too far apart, and they were like barely 2 feet tall. They were like this, but planted further apart. And what they have grown into is absolutely crazy. I feel so absolutely blessed and excited that my outdoor space looks like this. It's the backyard of my literal dreams as a little girl growing up in Philly in a townhouse where I used to pray to God for a pool. So having one just makes me feel so excited. My house is small, but my yard is big. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you made it this far, please tell me, do you want the vlogs to be longer? We've been doing about 15 minutes because I've also been easing in. I have been diligent. So can we congratulate your girl? I've been diligent. I've been uploading at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. But do you want them to be longer? I can do once a week and do like a 30, 40-minute vlog, or do like 2 short ones twice a week. Let me know what you're thinking. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.